everyone, hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you're new, my name is Shanique and this channel is called The Viva La Spice. If you're not new, welcome back. You will know that I have been not on YouTube for about a month now. I actually just needed a break, I guess. I didn't know how much I needed a break until I was kind of taking that break, and I was like, this feels good, so this is what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I went on vacation with my family to Orlando. That was amazing. The sun is coming out. Went on vacation, had so much fun. My daughter turned 2 while we were on that vacation. It was just a great time. But since we've been back, I've just been chilling. You never know how much you really need a break, or how tired you are, or how overwhelmed you are, until you just don't really do anything for a little bit and you're like, yeah. But I am indeed back because YouTube, of course, is also a form of therapy for me. And today's video is going to actually be a little bit of a product review. A seller on Amazon was so kind to send me this product to review for you guys. And this is going to be perfect for all of you guys who are like me, who like to switch it up with wigs, and maybe you are thinking about getting into making your own wigs, or maybe you already know how to make your own wigs and you just kind of want some new equipment, or are in the market for new things that you need for wig making, or maybe you know somebody who's into wig making or wants to start wig making. Then this video is going to be for you. If you're not into any of that stuff, that is fine as well, but you will want to see the end of this video where I will be talking about the giveaway that I am doing for reaching 5,000 subscribers. You don't want to miss that. That giveaway is open to all of my subscribers, so yeah, stay tuned until the end of this video to find out how you can enter that. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. I have everything in this box right here, shipped to me via Amazon Prime. I got this item in one day, and let me just tell you guys what I'm actually talking about. So the name of this item on Amazon is the canvas head plus clamp stand plus wig cap plus lace wig cap plus C-pins plus T-pins plus line plus hair clips. That's a lot of words, isn't it? But basically, it is everything you need to make a wig. Now, I have this wig on here that I did not make, but I just put it on here so I could show you guys how easy it is to kind of customize any wigs you may already have. Like if you want to pluck the part or anything like that, or you know, want to do any type of alterations. Maybe you have a wig already made and you want to cut it, or I don't know, you know, alter it in some sort of way. So let me just take this off so you guys can see. This is the actual canvas head. Now what is supposed to make this superior compared to, I guess, other canvas heads that you may find on Amazon is this is filled with cork versus plastic. This is very heavy duty. Now this comes, you can get this head in different sizes depending on what size your head is. You'll want to measure your own head so you know what size to get so that your whatever wig you make will fit your head. So it comes in a 21 inch, 22 inch, 23 inch, 24 inch, or 25 inch. This is the 22 inch, and the price for whatever reason sort of varies depending on what size you get. Now I don't know what the correlation is because it's not like the bigger the size, the more expensive it is. Last time I checked, the 23 inch was $19.99. and then the rest of the sizes were like $26.99. Don't really understand how they're calculating that. This one that I purchased, I believe, was $26.99. And by the way, this was sent to me, so I want to give out a quick disclaimer that I always say in any videos where I'm talking about something that was sent to me. Even when items are given to me for free for review, I always give my 100% honest opinion. You guys know I would not steer you wrong, and I'm all about, you know, getting those bargains, but also not lying to you guys about the quality. So my opinion is going to be 100% authentic in this video. All right, let's get back to this. This is really, really heavy. Like, this is really heavy. And for someone like me who would be using this to customize wigs, and I have been looking and watching tutorials and doing my research on how to make a wig for such a long time, and it looks simple enough, but bless my little heart, I'm just not really crafty or skilled with my hands like that. So I've been kind of afraid, but now that I actually have the stuff that I need to make one, I think I might soon bite the bullet and give it a go to try to make my own wig. But for now, this is perfect for me to pluck any parts on any existing wigs I need. If I have any wigs that I feel like need to be cut or trimmed or I need to add layers to, this is perfect opposed to what I've been using. And yes, y'all, please, I know. But compared to this, which it is so hard to kind of like customize stuff on this. You kind of got to hold it down. It's kind of sliding off. I mean, this is just literally a $5 foam head. Now with this, you're also getting the clamp stand, which says it's supposed to fit virtually any tripod. So it's not universal per se that it's going to fit every single one, but it says it fits most tripods. I don't have a tripod to kind of test this out for you guys, but I will try to insert a photo of this and how it looks attached to a tripod. So obviously when you have it on the tripod, you can really, you know, get your styling on, get your wig making on. Also included are 2 wig caps. It comes with a lace wig cap with adjustable straps. This is perfect for you to make your wigs, and it looks like, you know, like a standard wig cap. And it also comes with a weaving cap. I'll open this up for you guys. Just a mesh weaving cap like this that has the top open for your frontal or your closure. Comes with 2 hair clips so that you can clip the hair out of the way. It comes with both C-pins and T-pins. And it also comes with line for sewing the wefts onto your wig if you're going to sew it. Obviously you can do the glue method, but the longer lasting method would be to sew it. All in all, would I recommend this for anyone who's into wigs? Even if you're not into necessarily making wigs, if you do a lot of customizations to your wigs, would I recommend this to you guys? Yes, for under $30 you get quite a lot. For under $30, I feel like you pretty much have everything you need to start making your first wig. Or for under $30, I feel like you have everything you need to make a wig. Obviously, the only thing you're missing is the hair, but as far as that, for under $30, I feel like this is great for a beginner. This is great for someone who's in need of, you know, something affordable. And you basically have everything you need besides the hair, obviously, to make a wig. So yes, I would definitely recommend this. Also think this is a great gift idea as well. So thanks again to Beyond Beauty for sending me this. And I will leave a link down below for anyone who is interested. All right, now it's time for the giveaway. In honor of reaching 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking 3 winners. Each winner will be able to pick 3 things off of my Mercari, whatever 3 things they want. If you didn't know, I have a Mercari, which if you don't know what that is, it's just like a Poshmark, Depop, like a selling app. And I have lots of vintage items on there as well as stuff from my personal closet. But 3 people will be able to pick whatever 3 things they want off of my Mercari. So in order to enter, you must 1, obviously be a subscriber, be subscribed to this channel. 2, follow me on my Instagram, which is at Viva La Spice. And number 3, comment down below and tell me when you subscribe to me. So let me know if you subscribed to me because of this video, if you subscribed to me like 5 years ago. I just want to know. I just want to know who has been rocking with me for a long time and who is a new subscriber. I will leave this giveaway open for a week from the day that this video is uploaded to give you guys plenty of time to enter, as well as share this video, spread the word so other people can enter as well. And yeah, I think I'm not leaving anything out. I will leave all of the info down below just to make sure. I know I've already said this in another video, but once again, thank you guys so much for 5,000 subscribers. This is just amazing to me. I know it's kind of a small milestone, but the way YouTube is this day and age, 5,000 subscribers, to me, it means a lot. So thank you guys once again. Thank you guys for watching this video, for subscribing, interacting with me, leaving comments, leaving likes, spreading the word. I appreciate you guys so much. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.